Alright, here is the Wardville Street Railroad crossing in Cleburne, Texas. This crossing is on the BNSF Fort Worth sub, and it's also on the south end of the Cleburne yard, as you see over there, and shops. And what would have been the yard back in the Santa Fe days. But yeah, because here's the first signal. It has a USNS base. Has a USNS Model 75 gate mechanism. Just pretty faded. With the Wavco gate arms. Here's the emergency information. The dock number is 020-439B. And the lights are two pairs of USNS 12x20" lights with dialight ball LEDs in them. Sitting on a Wavco junction box. The bell is a GS Type 2 electronic bell. Also the gate has a wind guard. And the gate lights are Ricoh LED gate lights. Yeah, this is the first signal. Let's go over to the second signal. Oh, wait, my battery dies. So yeah, here's the second signal. Pretty kind of similar to the first. Has another USNS base. Another USNS Model 75 gate mechanism, though the logo has been faded so bad I can barely see it. But the gate knobs are also Wavco. And so there's the emergency information. And the lights are USNS 12x20" lights with dialight ball LEDs. I do know, excuse me. 1.5 USNS 12x20" lights, and a Satran 12x20" light, all with dialight LEDs. All sitting on a Wavco junction box as well. Bell is another GS Type 2. Also another wind guard. And pretty windy, you know. Okay. So yeah, that's the signals. Here's the relay case, which is crossing sitting at It is sitting at milepost 317.6. Here's the track views. That way is looking south slash east. South towards Temple, Texas. East towards Venus and Medallion, Texas. And that way is looking north towards Fort Worth, Texas, and Tower 55. And there's the old Santa Fe Depot, which the Amtrak Desert Eagle and the Heartland Flyer stops here. But yeah, this is the Wardville Street Railroad crossing in Cleburne, Texas. Over and out.